Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video, we're going to have a look at 5 signs your electric vehicle has a serious problem. Electric vehicles or EVs are generally reliable, but like any other vehicle, they can develop serious issues. Let's have a look at 5 signs your electric vehicle may have a serious problem that require immediate attention. One is unexpected loss of range. This is indicated by a sudden or gradual drop in driving range that isn't due to cold weather or aggressive driving. This is possibly caused by battery degradation, faulty battery management system, or a failing battery cell itself. So if there is a problem with your car battery, if there is a problem with the BMS, the battery management system, or some of the cells are not functioning properly as they should in your battery, that will result in reduction of range. So what can you do in order to fix this? The first thing you have to do is check battery health with the help of diagnostics, and you can also visit certified electric vehicle technician. This is a major problem that will keep you stranded somewhere. So unexpected loss of range is a very serious problem that need immediate attention. The other problem, number 2, is slow or inconsistent charging. Now, this is when the vehicle takes too much or much longer to charge than usual. Or sometimes it even stops charging intermittently, or it won't accept a charge at all. This is also a very crucial problem. This could be caused by faulty charging port, it could be caused by damaged onboard charger, or it could be caused by battery cooling system failure. Any of these can cause slow charging, inconsistent charging, or no charging at all. So, try different chargers first, and if the issue still persists, seek professional help. So, slow or inconsistent charging is also a serious issue that requires immediate attention. 3, when there are warning lights, especially battery related or powertrain related alerts on your dashboard. This is usually indicated by illuminated dashboard warning lights like check EV system, battery warning, or powertrain malfunction. All these are very serious issues. This could be caused by a high voltage battery failure, or it could be caused by inverter related problems, or it could be caused by some other electrical system fault. So, whenever this kind of malfunctioning indicating warning lights appear on your dashboard, stop driving if it is safe to do so and contact EV manufacturer or service center immediately in order to figure out what should be done. So, whenever there is a problem with the EV system, if the warning says check your EV system, if it says check your battery, or if it says powertrain malfunction, you should stop driving as soon as possible and have the issue resolved before resuming your journey again. Number 4, when you hear strange noise. It could be grinding noise, it could be clicking noise, or it could be whining noise. This unusual sound from the motor, or unusual sound from the battery compartment, or unusual sound from the suspension system of your vehicle. This could be caused by a failing electric motor bearing if it is coming from the motor, or it could be caused by loose battery mounting if it is coming from the battery compartment, or it could be caused by some malfunctioning or damaged suspension system component. If this noise is very disturbing and if it gets louder and louder, then you have to stop your vehicle and have it fixed. Have the vehicle inspected. Ignoring these noises could lead to costly repairs down the line. So don't ignore abnormal noises. Have them checked immediately. Number 5 is burning smell or some sort of overheating. A noticeable burning odor, smoke, or excessive heat from the battery, or it could be from the traction motor. This is caused by overheating battery if there is a thermal runaway. It could be caused by short circuit, or it could be caused by failing components. So if you notice there is a burning smell or overheating happening in your vehicle, pull over safely, turn off the car, and exit immediately. Then call emergency services if you suspect a battery fire. Otherwise, stay away from the vehicle. Report the incident to certified EV technicians. Have them repair, have them sort out what is causing the problem. And there are some things what you should do. For minor issues, check the owner's manual for resetting the system. For major warning like battery-related problems, don't ignore them. EV battery problems can be very hazardous and they are very deadly in sometimes. Always visit an EV certified mechanic. Traditional shops may not have the expertise to repair modern electric vehicle components. So always stay alert. Look for any sign of trouble, especially if you happen to notice some sort of smell, some sort of overheating, then take action immediately. Well, dear viewers, those are some of the things that indicates there is a serious problem going on in your EV vehicle. If you find this video helpful and if you like what has been presented, please smash the like button. And if you are new to this channel, do consider subscribing, turn on notifications so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.